We have looked at the notes and highlights function already and learned how you can have your personal summary, your condensed version, full with insights from a book for your own or personal use. There are two ways to share those insights, if you like, with your friends or even the broader public. The first way is very easy. Highlight the passage you would like to share with someone you know. Choose the share function on the highlight. This will open an email form that allows you to insert the mail address of your friend. You can change the subject and enter a message. The recipient will now receive an email that looks like this. The next way is becoming a member with Goodreads.com. Goodreads is the world's largest site for readers and book recommendations. It has been around since 2007 and has over 90 million members worldwide. On Goodreads, you can see which books your friends are reading. You can also track the books you're reading, have read, and want to read. If not sure what to read next, check out their personalized book recommendations. Find out if a book is a good fit for you from the community's reviews. Some small print for this one. Unfortunately, this advice will work only if you're an Amazon customer in the US, UK, Ireland, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or India. In case your Amazon account is not in one of these countries, you can still use Goodreads, but it will not be connected with your Kindle. Feel free to jump to the next chapter if you like, or take the 3 minutes to follow how Goodreads.com works in connection with your Kindle. To share your insights with your friends or the whole world, sign in to Goodreads.com and go to the account settings page. There go to apps. In the Amazon section, you can connect the account. Set the book to currently reading or read on a Goodreads.com shelf. You can also add it to a shelf directly from the Kindle. In a list of books on the home screen, when you long tap the book, then go to the context menu. Then sign in to Goodreads.com, go to My Books, Kindle Notes and Highlights, under your reading activity. Click on the book you want to share from. Now you can share any of your notes and highlights by switching them to visible. Add your own note before you share it, if you like. Don't forget the privacy settings here and make sure what happens on Goodreads stays on Goodreads.